Yet I am the names of Alpha and Omega. But in my situation, no no treasures happening to me. In my body, in my mind, in my soul, in my feet, in my lungs, in my voice, in my eyes. Because I'm just the Alpha and the Win Omega I am. There's no happens about treasures to me until now. I said first Alpha, and my half body is the Omega, and my nose is the Win or victory. I'm Alpha and Omega. There's no answer to myself body because I prepare something to die and suicide because my body full of sickness. For those happens in the battles, first and last, and there's no end suffering myself.